I've just been to the gym and I just finished my workout. I did chest, abs and a bit of like running. I did like what's it called, interval like hit, so I like ran for like 30 seconds then jumped off for 30 seconds. That's so good. I love doing that because you do like 10 minutes of that and you're like sweating, so I really like that. So that's what I did today. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna do legs because I've done 2 leg sessions this week already, so I think tomorrow is legs. So now I'm just gonna go home and grab myself a smoothie. I love smoothies in the morning, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I've got so hot though, so I need to open some windows because I'm just steaming everything up in here. So let's go. So for my smoothie, I add some water and then I also add the juice of a whole lemon. I then go and grab myself some frozen strawberries. I actually got these strawberries from Aldi, and Aldi's frozen fruit is so cheap compared to anywhere else, so I definitely recommend getting it from there. I then also add some frozen blueberries to it as well. Then I also add some frozen banana. This gives it a really nice flavour and texture, so I definitely recommend adding that. So next I add some superfood powders. Now I love including these because they are incredibly good for you. Specifically spirulina, because that actually is one of the most nutrient dense foods on the planet and also contains 18 different amino acids. So yeah, definitely add that one in. I also add some acai powder, which is extremely nutrient dense and full of antioxidants, and it also helps boost brain function. I also add this green superfood blend, which is actually mainly wheatgrass, and this helps assist the body in getting rid of all the impurities because it acts as kind of like a detoxifying substance, so it really does help get rid of all the things that you don't want in your body. I then go on to add some spinach. Spinach is just always a good one to whack in your smoothie. Add some BCAAs. I then add some liquid iron. I always add this to my smoothie just because I have been iron deficient in the past, so I just like to keep my iron levels maintained. And there you have it. A nice healthy smoothie. So I'm currently at the office and I'm just doing a few little email-y worky bits. I've showered and everything after the gym and I'm just getting to work basically. So I've just got to do loads of emails and stuff like that. Then I think after that I'm going to do my makeup just because I'm feeling a bit like meh. So I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to start my makeup. So I think I'm just going to put my hair back with this little clip I had on the floor. Pretty. So the first thing for my makeup, I'm going to apply my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Love this. It really just smooths out the skin. Lovely. I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation in the colour 20 Sand. I've literally used this for years, so love it. And obviously I'm going to use my Jessica Jayne 100 brush. Love this one so much. If you guys haven't seen my brushes, I'll show you. I've got my face brushes here, but it basically comes in this stunning box. And inside the box, you basically get all these pretty makeup brushes. They're so gorgeous. They're honestly the softest brushes you will ever feel in your life. Like, I swear, the quality of them is incredible. Usually I would tend to wear this Revolution concealer, but today I think I'm just going to use my collection one. So I'm just going to apply that into my eyes and on my eyelids. For my eyebrows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Taupe, and I'm just going to be using my Jessica Jayne 620 brush. It's like a dual-ended brush. I love it so much, just to apply that to my brows. Next, I'm going to use my Morphe 25B palette, and I'm just going to literally take this shade here on a lid brush and just brush it all over my eyelid. So this is a finished makeup look. The lipstick I have on is the Rimmel Kate Moss lipstick in 03. So yeah, it's just perfect for like everyday wear. So yeah, all done. Also guys, I just remembered that I did film my ab workout this morning at the gym, so I'll insert those clips that I filmed today so you can see my ab workout. This is the kind of ab workout I've been doing quite a lot, just because like when it comes to summer I want to have a little bit more definition to my stomach, so that's what I've been doing.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
Now I'm just leaving the office because I'm gonna go meet my mum for a hot chocolate. So I literally love Costa hot chocolates. Well, my actual order is a soy hot chocolate with sugar-free caramel. They are my literal favourite. So I'm just leaving the office now and I'm gonna go get one with my mum, and then I think I'm gonna head back to the office and get more sort of work stuff done. So let's go. So it's a little bit later on and I've still got my coat on because I'm actually so cold, but I've just literally been chilling here with little Willow. She's honestly the cutest thing ever, aren't you? Look how cute she is. So I went to Costa Coffee with mum and that was so nice. Honestly, my hot chocolate was literally the best. I love it so much. But now I think I'm gonna get changed and get into some more sort of comfy clothes. So I've just finished my tea and my tea was so good. I love that tea. That has to be one of my favourite teas. Like, I love spaghetti bolognese and I love that chicken rice and veg. Well, vegan chicken rice and veg. But yeah, so I think for the rest of the evening I'm just gonna be chilling. So I'm gonna go take off my makeup in a second and then just chill, I suppose. So thank you all so much for watching today's video and I shall see you all again very, very soon. Bye!